So I picked up this standing desk to set up in my living room because I cannot stand being cooped up in a tiny home office when I'm working from home. Here are all the pieces that came in the box. It took me about an hour to put it together by myself. It definitely would be half that time if you had a second person helping. I really love the look of this desk. The parts feel super solid and well made. Just a heads up, the desktop is actually two pieces that join together, and this organizer on the side is mine. It did not come with the desk. So the control panel is right on the front, and you can use the arrows to raise or lower the desk to your preferred height. And the height range goes from 27.5 inches all the way to almost 47 inches. The numbered buttons let you save those custom heights, so you just hold one down when you find your perfect spot. You wait for the LED to flash, and you're good to go. The motor is really quiet, and the desk glides up and down super smoothly. Also, a little bonus is that they included a cord organizer at the back and a little hook on the side for headphones or a backpack. I'm really impressed with the quality of this desk, and the instructions made it really simple to put together. If I can do it, anyone can. So if you're looking for a good standing desk for your work from home life, this one is definitely worth checking out.